Thutha wa makaya kuma kuri anyiti itemi othe uthondeki-ini wa thenema iguru rigie watho uria umarugamirire, riu mari na gikeno kuona ati ruhonge rwa thirikari ni rukunyitanira nao itemi-ini ria gucenjia watho ucio.
The Kenya Film Classification Board and this Committee of Representatives will seek to convene an inclusive stakeholder participation process which conforms to constitutional standards and which will bring diverse perspectives, ideas and propositions.
The journey so far in our endeavor to review CAP 222, to make CAP 222 up to speed with the dynamics of the industry, address the development in the industry and make the law more facilitative and not punitive to the industry.
Hamwe na maundu maria watho ucio wirigerire kurora ni gwitikiria mbeu njithi kuona mawira maria na umithio kuhitukira uthondeki wa thenema, kugitira mitugo na unduire wa Kenya kuhitukira thenema na kunyita itemi hari kuongerera utonga wa bururi kuhitukira uthondeki wa thenema o ta mawira maria mangi.
And it is time for this generation to finally put an end to a bad law that has had terrible consequences in the artistic landscape of this country and that has been abused before.
Oho andiki a mithako ya ngerekano riu maugite mari na mwihoko ati watho uria marauga utuire umahatiriirie riu ni ugucenjia na utuike wa kumaguna. Maya mahanikite kahinda kanini tu thutha wa amemerekia na athondeki a thenema gukirira ruhonge ruu rwa kuramata thenema kana Kenya Film Classification Board riria rwambiriirie gwikira mawatho na kuregana na umemerekia wa maundu matiganite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Karuga wa Mwangi.